Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate-filled peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. So to make the dough, in a small bowl add the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and cream them on a medium speed for about 3 minutes. And make sure you scrape down the sides to ensure even mixing. Then add in the peanut butter and beat it in until it's well combined. Add in the eggs and vanilla extract and beat them in on a medium speed for 2 minutes. Making sure you occasionally scrape down the sides to ensure even mixing. Then add in the dry ingredients and chopped peanuts, which is optional, and mix them in on a low speed just until combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then cover it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours until it's firm. You can even leave it in overnight if you like. Then in a small bowl, add in the chocolate chips. Then pour the heavy cream into a saucepan and place it over the stove and heat it until it starts to boil. And pour it over the chocolate chips and let it sit for 2 minutes. And stir it until it's well combined. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least an hour until it's firm. Once it is firm, remove it from the fridge and whip it with an electric mixer for about 30 seconds. Don't over whip it or it will have a grainy texture. When you're nearly ready to bake the cookies, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and scoop the chilled cookie dough onto a baking pan. And use your thumb and fingers to make a well in the center of each one. And there's 2 ways you can do this. One way is you can scoop the ganache into the center before baking them and bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they're lightly browned around the edges. And remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. They're very fragile when warm, so they do need to cool in the pan. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Or you can bake them without the filling and remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And once they're cooled completely, add the ganache into the center of each one. And doing it this way will make sure the ganache keeps its light and airy texture. And that's how to make chocolate-filled peanut butter cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.